Hello. Today, let's attach a Tesa Insect Stop for dormer windows. The Tesa Insect Stop hook and the loop comfort for dormer windows is the fast and easy solution to equip dormer windows with a removable mosquito repellent. It's a flexible installation system and elastic rubber band for opening and close the dormer windows. And easy fitting on sloping surfaces thanks to the Tesa strip Powerstrip technology. It's removable without leaving residues. You can see it's easy. We prepared now the Tesa Powerstrip system, and now we have to attach this to our dormer windows. We are on every edge. 4 edges are available, and we use 3 centimeter each edge. We place the power strips immediately. If we place that power strip system with the hook system, the hook has to be go in the line, not into the area to the dormer, but to the ceiling and to the bottom. And it's a little bit diagonal to place them in one line with the edge. If we perform this 4 times, we can use the hook system to get the nice and good and easy to attach mosquito net here. As you can see, you can place it and then you can use it. This is the easiest way to protect you against the insects, against the mosquitoes, bees, and all the other insects out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.